it there? They still bury people here?
Yeah, man, I'll tell you.
Oh, and persons are still being buried here.
Yeah, man.
But look here, why that grave over there so have on that big stone?
Yeah, it's a long story. I don't know either.
Oh, so they just hold on the duppy.
Stone it, it's written up. You have written on it.
Something is written on it.
From the other side.
People walk over there.
Yeah, you can walk over and look up.
Let me walk over there and look.
Yeah, right now.
Okay, but some of the graves them empty, man. Open up. Then you sure me not go drop in any one of the holes?
No. I don't know what on the top of it.
Hmm?
No walk on the top of some of them. Some of them like to firm.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so they're tombs.
See this one now? This one have a hell of a rock on it.
Oh, so probably it was a tomb. It was a stone.
Headstone.
It's a headstone.